Good morning, children. This is Venkat, Computer Faculty of DAV Public School, Dr. NTTPS. Welcome to the computer session. Our today's topic is functions in MS Excel. And before going into this topic, functions in MS Excel, today let us see the basic fundamentals of MS Excel. What is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application software developed by Microsoft company. This MS Excel comes as a part of the Microsoft Office suite of application software. Excel is used to do calculations like arithmetic calculations, trigonometric calculations, and other different types of calculations. And this Excel is also used for creating charts, pivot tables, which are nothing but summary of the data, etc. This MS Excel has been replaced with Lotus 123 software, which is used for doing calculations before the development of Microsoft Excel spreadsheet application software. Now let us see what is the procedure to open MS Excel. So in order to open MS Excel, we have to click on Start button, then click on All Programs, then click on Microsoft Office, and from that Microsoft Office we have to click on Microsoft Excel. So then the Microsoft Excel workbook will be opened. Children, just now you came to know that Excel is a spreadsheet application software. Now let us see what is a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is an electronic document in which data is arranged in the rows and columns. In return, the intersection of these rows and columns are called cells. In these cells only the data can be inserted or typed. A group of these spreadsheets or worksheets will form a workbook. So we can say that a file in MS Excel is called a workbook. So when we are saving any file in any application software, either in MS Excel or in MS Word, while giving the file name contains two parts. The first one, what the user is giving, is called as primary file name, and the second part of the file name is secondary file name or extension file name, which is given by the computer based on the application software in which we are saving the file. So if we see MS Excel, the secondary file name or the extension file name for the files which are saved in MS Excel is XLSX. Children, now let us see what are the screen elements or parts of the MS Excel workbook. First one is quick access toolbar, second one ribbon, tabs, formula bar, name box, cell selector, row numbers, column headings, sheet tabs, status bar are the different parts or the elements of the MS Excel workbook. Now let us see the screen elements in detail. First one is quick access toolbar. This toolbar allows the user to add frequently used commands. This can be done by clicking on the down arrow at the end of the toolbar to display available options on the quick access toolbar. Second one is ribbon. The ribbon is the strip of buttons and icons located above the worksheet or the formula bar. When clicked on this ribbon, the buttons and icons activate the various features of a program. Third one is tab or tabs. Tabs are a part of ribbon. If you see the ribbon, you can identify the different tabs like home, page layout, formulas, etc. And each tab contains groups, and each group contains different types of commands or options. Next one is name box. This is the option which is located before the formula bar, and this name box displays the cell address of the currently selected cell, which is called as active cell. Next one is formula bar. This is located just above the worksheet or the work area. This area displays the contents of the active cell, which is also called as selected cell. The formula bar is also used to enter or edit data and formulas. Next comes status bar. The status bar is the long horizontal bar which is present at the bottom of the screen, and this status bar displays the several options like caps lock, scroll lock and number locks, and it shows whether they are turned on or off. Children, you came to know that Excel is a spreadsheet application software which contains worksheets or spreadsheets. These spreadsheets or worksheets are formed with the help of rows and columns. Now let us see what are rows and columns. What are rows? Rows are the horizontal lines which are present on the spreadsheet, and these rows are denoted by numbers. The total number of rows present in an MS Excel worksheet are 10,48,576. Now what are columns? Columns are vertical lines which are present in a spreadsheet, and these columns are denoted by the letters A, B, C, D, etc. And the total number of columns present in an Excel worksheet are XFD. Now let us see what is a cell. A cell is a rectangular box that is formed with the help of intersection of vertical lines which are called columns and horizontal lines which are called rows present in a worksheet. And basically a cell is the primary unit to store the data in Excel. It means that whatever data we type, whether it is numeric kind of data or text type of data, we have to type it in the cell. So every cell will have its own address, and this is also called as cell address or cell reference. This cell address or cell reference is denoted by column name and row number. If we see the picture, the currently selected cell address is A1, means the column name is A and the row number is 1.